This is exciting. Okay, so we have a little treat because we usually don't put up fabrics 2 days in a row, but we're going to because these are viscose woven. They're 100% viscose woven, all from Italy. They're all woven. They're beautiful. Look at the colors. They're just rich, and look, they don't wrinkle. Oh my gosh, I'll do that with every one of them. They have great drape. They're beautiful. Our new blouses we just did, which is 623, 523. They're beautiful for that. Look at these. Oh, I wish you could feel them, you guys. Look at that. They're 100% viscose. They're just really, really pretty. Look, Mom, no wrinkles. Anyway, I'm just showing you the different colors because you can, they're just pretty. Guess that's the lighter one. Years ago, Tommy Bahama did a shirt on the wrong side. That's pretty cool. It's the wrong side, but it's pretty cool. Isn't that so cool? Oh, I just love them. Little red, white, and blue for the holidays. Again, I'm going to gather that up together, and you see it just doesn't, no wrinkles. It's lovely, just lovely fabric. All right, and we don't have a lot of this. Obviously, we'd run out of something, and somebody emailed me and asked me, can't you get more? No, I definitely can't get more. These are designer ends, true designer ends, and when they're gone, but they are beautiful. So all woven, they're all $18.25 until they're gone. So happy sewing, y'all, from Silhouette Patterns.